Welcome to a battery pack build nightmare. Here's my latest battery pack that I built using these Samsung, INI 18650 35Es. This pack is fully charged. It did have a BMS zoom out. And here's my other battery pack. Now these are supposed to be a handle 20 amps sustained discharge, and they're in they're parallel groups of 5. As you can see, groups 5 that splits to the next pack, or that's the last pack there, has a group of 5. So sustained 100 amps. So I'm going to put this over here. Oh, sorry, it's heavy, this table. I'm going to connect it to this electric bike. So 1 second. Right, so we now have this mystery pack of crap connected to my electric bike. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hold the rear brake and give it full power. Oh no, it cut out immediately. See if I can get in here and see if what we can get it to sustain. Oh, we've got 9 amps. 12. Full go. 10 amps, 9 amps. It's trying its best, but it just keeps dropping out. So, that gives you an idea of why we don't use crap quality, well, what seemed like would be good quality Samsung cells. Actually turned out to be a complete waste of time. These were bought from AliExpress, 100% original, genuine, whatever the f that means in China. Nothing. Waste of time. Chuck that waste of time down there. Lots of money down the drain. And even the the battery case was also lost, because that's all the proper the interconnections, all the proper interconnection plates and everything that I spot welded on, all rubbish. So yeah, good luck getting more of them. Now I'm going to take this battery pack. Let me just pull it out. Right, so here's another battery pack. The other one's 5 cells. This is 10 cells. But these are only 1500 milliamp hours. And these are Samsung INR 18650 15Qs. These are genuine. Okay, there are a lot more of them, but this time they're going to be running through a BMS. I took the BMS off that pack just to go for raw power, because I was getting, well, I couldn't work out what the problem was. So let's plug this one in and see what we get. Right, so the voltmeter is connected. Oh, actually, hold on, I've got to put you down. Right, so now you can see it. I'm going to go full welly on the bike. Go. There we go. 32 amps until the BMS cuts out. And that's the BMS cutting out, not the bike. Oh no, it's actually the drive motor kicking out. And yeah, starting to starting to smell a bit hot. That's probably it's the wiring to the wheel. So yeah, starting to get a bit warm down here, which is unsurprising. Yeah, the motor wires are getting hot at 32 amps. But these are only 1500s. Don't know what the sustained discharge is on a pack like this. For these 15Q cells, it's probably a bit better than the other ones, but 5 of them in parallel, totally worthless. Those, as far as I'm concerned, they're not Samsung cells, just rubbish. So yeah, I'm stuck with this pack, but it's no good because this is my pack, and that was for an e-bike I was building. You can't even accelerate. You just try and push forward, and it cuts out. Then you have to release the throttle, push again, and it cut out. Moral of the story is, don't buy your 18650s from China. Complete waste of time. That's all for today. Oh no, I'll post a listing of the seller who sold me that trash. Try and get some ones out of something else, then buy them from China. You're going to get ripped off. Right, excuse my bench of crap. A follow up on the video of the bike battery. I ended up rebuilding it using a tin strip. I'm going to show you some pictures now. I'll put them over the video actually, that makes sense. I had to rebuild the patterns by crisscrossing the tin strip across where the original plates would have been. As you'd see in the video, I said the whole battery was junk, but I decided to just use this nickel strip instead. And then I got from 18650 UK or something these back cells. So they are N18650 CNP back A01. I think these are only 2500 milliamp hour cells, but I bought all 65 of them and 3 spares just in case I knackered them. These actually weighed less than these. Well, let me find. So these back cells actually ended up weighing. They weigh less than these fake junk Samsung or reject Samsung cells. These are all the ones at the battery. See, they've all got bits of battery tabs still stuck on it. But yeah, I replaced them with back cells, and now the battery's built, and it works perfectly. It is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I'll show you the website quickly. So yeah, it was actually 18650 wholesale or 18650 UK, and they actually changed their wholesale site to cell supply. And all we did, I looked in lithium ion batteries, 18650. Looking here, they were back cells. There they are, 2500 milliamp hour, and there's the pricing on them. Obviously, there's a you can get better pricing. So if you're buying 65, you're paying £2.33 each for them. So say we were buying 65, we'd try it and just see what price we're going to get for the whole set plus shipping. So add it to basket, we go to the cart, and with shipping the total dress £192.26 for the 65 cells. So yeah, can't really go wrong with that. They were perfect batteries. This website, Cell Supply, actually has all sorts on it. So let's have a look. They've got all the different brands of cells. So you've got LG, lots of LGs, Molicel, Panasonics, Samsungs. Obviously the price goes up and up and up. So mine was supposed to be 35. Let's see what these ones were. Hold on. Yeah, these were supposed to be Samsung 35Es. So these ones. If there was any information. I'm not sure. These only said they're 8 amps max continuous. Might actually would give us an idea, but hold on. Yeah, so even in our pack they should be able to do 40 amp max continuous. They may not have been the perfect batteries for it, but they should have done the job. Versus the back cells, which I went for in the end, 500 milliamp hour less. They were 20 amps max continuous. So yeah, I may have got it a bit wrong earlier in the video, but these should have done the job, but they didn't. So I'm going to be doing some capacity tests on these. So if you see these ones, these 35Es for sale, and you're thinking of using them for an e-bike, maybe not the best idea unless you're going to gang them up in groups of 10. So let's see where I got them from. Here's the bloke who ordered mine off. Here they are on AliExpress, 100% original, blah blah blah, 35Es. I went for 40 pieces times 2, came to about 100, 160, I don't know, it was something over 100 quid. Wasn't as much as it was buying the back ones from the UK seller, but he rated them as standard discharge current of 20 amps. So that's why I chose them, and turns out they're only 8. Maximum sustainable discharge current 20 amps. Well, it couldn't do it. Maybe they'd be good for running in torches or something, I don't know. Maybe they're not even proper cells. But the actual shop's name is the Battery Pack Producer Store, or Battery Pack Producer Store. So yeah, you don't really want to be one of these for making battery packs. Either way, that's that. Thanks for watching.